Peanut butter I did a little bit. She already had some.
Alright, this is the peanut butter on Roomba experiment. We got the peanut butter over here. That's Peter over there. Say hi.
Hi!
And that right there is our precious little wiener dog. Who's precious. Oh, look at how cute she is. And we are about to torment her with putting peanut butter on a Roomba. Of course, we have to use the best peanut butter there is on this wonderful experiment. Alright, is she ready?
Yep. Go for it.
Of course, her ear is already flipped back in the perfect hearing position. I wish I could zoom in on this thing. Oh. She's not hungry anymore, she's not finished.
Get back in there, Peter. Go at it.
Smile for the camera.
Don't lick your lip.
I think she's done, folks.